Hello scholars, this is Mrs. Kendrick and this is going to be a short video just to remind you how to use IXL. Just going to be a few little pointers that I want to make sure you all really understand so that you guys are not doing lessons that are not assigned to you, okay? Alright, so when you log into IXL, you're going to see a screen that's kind of similar to this. You should see your name around here. You can see this has my name because this is my account. I do have this student selected here just so for privacy issues, I'm not going to show anybody else's name. That's just a fake student that I made up for this video. Okay. The one thing I want you guys to do is to always remember that when you log into IXL, you should be going to recommendations. You should be clicking this button here. It is under the Learning tab. So you might have to go to Learning and then Recommendations. But a lot of times I know that this shows up right away. You want to click this tab and it's going to take you to a screen that looks like this and it says Recommendations. You're going to see the little gold star. This is where you're going to find your weekly lessons. The lessons are going to be on there for each week. It's going to include any math, ELA, grammar, history, or science lessons that you guys are going to be learning. If you notice there's just one here, this is an example. Lesson was suggested about multiplying decimals. These are the lessons that I am suggesting. Sorry, let me say that better. These are the lessons that you must do each week. Okay? They are going to be deleted after a week, probably on Sundays, and the new lessons are going to be uploaded. All right, you guys? So I want you to understand that. The reason why I do take away the previous week's lessons is because if not, you guys are going to have a giant list of lessons and I don't want you guys to get confused. Okay? So just remember when you log in, you can go to Learning, Recommendations, and this here is where you're going to find your lessons for that week. Okay? Another thing I want to point out is that some scholars will go here, go to Recommendations, and then they just start doing these lessons which are recommended. These are not the lessons that I'm asking you to do. Let me repeat that. These, as you see as I'm going down, these are not the lessons I'm asking you to do. These are lessons that are just recommended by the IXL account, usually based off of your diagnostics. I want to make that clear because last year I had scholars going to the recommendations page, clicking and doing all of these lessons. Okay? Please be careful that you don't do that. The gold star are the lessons that I want you guys to complete. Okay? So hopefully you guys understand that. That's pretty much it. I just want to make sure that that is very clear because I know that if you go on and just start doing other lessons that you're not sure of, then you might not finish your lessons for that week. And I know that you guys are going to be excellent and complete all your lessons, and you need to remember where to find them. Okay? All right, you guys. Thank you very much for listening. I hope this is helpful. If you guys have any questions, of course, make sure you email me or send me a remind. And I will see you guys next time. Have a great day.